Hello everyone, we are Han Lin. Today, let's see the top 5 kitchen flooring. Welcome to subscribe if you like our content. A kitchen floor is the most hardworking floor in your home. It needs to withstand heavy foot traffic, water spills and regular staining. It also needs to look good. We will break down the key characteristics of each flooring such as budget, style, durability, installation, and maintenance. Laminate flooring is constructed with layers of materials, which are melamine wear layer, photographic image decorative layer, dense core board, and melamine backing layer. These layers are fused together to form an extremely durable laminate floor. They are softer and warmer underfoot than ceramic tile, concrete, and stone. It is cheaper than many other flooring options and offers savings on installation too. You can snap the laminate tiles or planks together to form a floating floor on top of the existing floor. Laminate flooring is durable, easy to maintain, and virtually dent-proof. The wear layer of laminate flooring protects the floors from scratches, stains, and fading. We can just sweep the floors regularly to keep them clean. One of the biggest cons is that it will damage when exposed to moisture for a long time. Concrete flooring comes in a variety of design options. With advances in technology, color and texture can be added to concrete to make it resemble ceramic or stone tiles. You can customize the color, texture, and even choose concrete with shells or other materials mixed in. Concrete flooring is relatively maintenance-free because it is tough and resistant to damages, scratches, and stains. Concrete is incredibly easy to clean since there are no cracks or crevices for dirt to hide in. For daily cleaning, they can be swept and mopped with a neutral cleaning agent. They can even be washed occasionally without having to worry about the floor getting damaged due to excess moisture. The only maintenance that polished concrete floors require is the periodic application of a sealant or wax to protect the surface. This can be done every 6 to 9 months to preserve the floor and to keep it in perfect condition for many years. Polished concrete makes small spaces seem large because there are no grout lines. In sunnier spaces, the concrete will help lighten the space. The toughness of concrete always causes breakages when glass drops on it. Concrete also gives a cold feel under bare feet. However, this problem is easily solved by wearing a pair of slippers. Vinyl planks are available in numerous styles designed to mimic the look of wood. Natural stone and cement. Vinyl flooring feels more comfortable to walk on than other options. Vinyl flooring is made up of wear layer, decorative layer, core board, and backing layer. Vinyl flooring offers you a slightly softer walking surface as the product is produced with a thin backing of resilient foam or felt. It makes the floor beneath your feet slightly more shock absorbent and less fatiguing to walk across or stand upon for a long period of time. On the cold days, vinyl flooring also feels warmer to bare feet than ceramic or stone alternatives. Most vinyl plank options have a click-lock method of installation that is DIY friendly and can be free floated over the subfloor so that no adhesive is needed. The other type of vinyl plank flooring is peel and stick. The planks can be cut easily with a utility knife for the perfect fit. The biggest pro of vinyl plank is the fact that it is 100% waterproof. Vinyl floor can be mopped, so it is an ideal kitchen flooring. Larger kitchen can benefit from a glued-down vinyl installation, but it is very difficult to remove the glued-down flooring. Since vinyl flooring is a softer material than most flooring, it can be punctured easily with very sharp objects, such as dropping a kitchen knife or sliding a metal leg chair on top of the vinyl. A vinyl flooring also has a different top coat than a laminate, which is not UV resistant. Hence, a vinyl floor will be faded over time. For heavily sunlit kitchen, fading of vinyl floor can be avoided by limiting sunlight with curtains. Vinyl floor is also dented easily by heavy furniture such as fridge. With advances in technology, vinyl floor with rigid core construction which is more dimensionally stable and sturdy has been created. Engineered wood flooring is the closest alternative to solid wood flooring. It is constructed with several layers of wood. The top layer is made of real wood, while the bottom layers are made of plywood. Engineered wood flooring offers the look of solid wood at a lower price point. Multi-layers of plywood prevents the engineered wood flooring from warping and bowing due to moisture and temperature changes, so it will be more durable than solid wood flooring. Engineered wood planks typically come with the tongue and groove construction that clicks or snaps together, which is DIY friendly. Engineered wood planks can be installed using nails or glues, or by simply laying them on top of the subfloor without fixative or nails. Engineered wood flooring can only be sanded and refinished 2 to 3 times because only the top layer is made of real wood. After that, they have to be replaced. Porcelain tile is made of highly refined clay that is fired at higher temperatures and designed to hold up better than most other types of flooring on the market. Porcelain tiles are beautiful and simple to maintain because they don't need any special sealing to keep out water. Water wipes right off them without causing any real damage. Porcelain tile doesn't harbor bacteria like more porous material does, so the tile stays cleaner than traditional tile. Porcelain tiles can mimic all sorts of traditional flooring materials such as marble, granite, wood, cork, bamboo, and steel. Porcelain tiles are highly resistant to wear and breakage. This makes them highly durable. If damage does occur to a tile, an individual porcelain piece is not difficult to remove and replace. It is a good idea to save an extra box of the tiles to make color matching easier. Since porcelain tile is denser, it is more difficult to work with as well. The tiles require special and stronger tools to be cut into any desired shape. The cost of installation is higher as the tiles need to be installed by flooring professionals. We have gone through the top 5 kitchen flooring. What type of flooring is your favorite? Please comment below. Thank you for watching.